Hi friends, in this section I will be showing how to create a IAM user and manage our AWS account. So let's click on IAM. Here you can see that already a couple of users are active. So let me create a fresh user. Just click on user, add user. So we have to define a username. Let me update Jane Thomas. Just enable AWS Management Console access. So here you can see that auto generate password or custom password can be set. So let me set a custom password. So we will be using this custom password to access our AWS account. So once that is done, you can see that another option, record password reset. So if we enable this option, the AWS account will ask us to reset the user password on our next sign in. So let me disable this one. Click on next permission. So here you can see that already a couple of users groups are being active here. So in my case, I'll be creating a fresh group. This is a standard process we follow. So define a group name. So J Thomas admin. Once that is done, I'll be enabling administration access so that this user will be able to access all the features of my AWS account. Once that is done, click on create group. You can see that the group, here you can see that the group is created. So let's add a tag. Let's define the tag. So for example, if we're going to assign this user to our developing team or our server management team or our DevOps team, so we can just to identify the user section or department, we can just name the AWS tag accordingly, or you can simply name any custom name you prefer. So in my case, I'll be mentioning DevOps Dev team RAM. Once that is done, click on next review. So you can see the details here. Finally, click on create user. So CSV file contains the access detail. So for a safe side, let us download this one and save on our system. Okay. So in order to access our AWS console, either we can use the sign in option or we can create a custom signing method. So let me close this one. Just set my user. So now we have to customize our login URL. So in order to do that, just click on dashboard. Here you can see that our current IAM user segment is defined with our account number. So sometime in most cases it will be hard for us to remember the account number. So we can customize this one. So the alias we choose must be a unique one. So in my case, let me see. So let me name Jane Thomas and see whether it is taken by anyone. Click on create alias. It's already exit. So let me change this to yes, career Thomas and see. Okay, that will work. So now I will be able to access my AWS console using this URL. So let me copy this one. So let me access my IAM user with my custom URL. So you can see that my alias is auto-filled here. You can use either the alias name or account 12-digit number. So my IAM user will be the user I have defined, which is Jane Thomas. Password. I can sign in. Let's wait for a second. So here you can see that we have logged into our IAM user console. So I have to understand this is a root account or IAM account. So just this section, Jane Thomas at the right, Jane's career Thomas. So from this we will be able to understand whether it is our IAM user or root account. Also it will be defined here IAM user account Jane Thomas. So this is how we will be accessing our AWS console using the IAM user.